Hello everyone and welcome to the latest instalment in my series of videos entitled Is It a First? Now today we will be shining a spotlight on Revolver, and the very good thing about this album is that it's very straightforward indeed to discover if you have a first pressing. Now, as most if not all of you watching this video will know, the original monos had Remix 11 of Tomorrow Never Knows, rather than the standard mono mix. And the way to tell if you have a copy with Remix 11 is to look at the matrix numbers. But before we do that, we'll just take a little look at the labels. So it has the sans serif font, sold in the UK text, and the Gramophone Company Limited at the beginning of the perimeter text. And here is side 2. Okay, so let's take a look at the important part. Okay, so if we take a look at the side 2 matrix number, hopefully you can see there that it is XEX 606 and then, importantly, -1. Now, if you have that -1 on side 2, then you are the owner of a copy with Remix 11 of Tomorrow Never Knows. Now, many people believe that side 1 also has to have a -1 for this to be a Remix 11 copy. But actually, you can find copies with side 1 with -2 and side 2 with -1. Now, this copy here is just like that, and I'll show you that. So here you can see on side 1, we have XEX 605-2. So it's the side 2 matrix number that must end in -1. That's the important part. And if you've got either a -1 or a -2 on side 1, that doesn't really matter. Side 2 is the crucial bit. Now here is an original stereo copy of Revolver. Now the matrix numbers on this are -1 on both sides. However, you can't get the Remix 11 of Tomorrow Never Knows on a stereo copy. It's only available on the very first mono copies. But the matrix numbers do end in -1 on both sides, which is important. But what's also important is that on side 2, Dr. Robert is spelled DR, the abbreviation, rather than the full word doctor. That's the important part. So if you've got those matrix numbers and you've got that on the label, and you've obviously got sold in the UK text and the Gramophone Company Limited, you've got a nice original stereo copy. Now that's not to say that other stereo label variations which do have the sold in the UK text and the rest of it, but have doctor spelled with the full word, aren't early copies, because they are, but the very first ones have the DR abbreviation. Alright, so that's the end of this week's video. It was much shorter than usual, but that is the sign of an album that's easy to identify, so that's always a good thing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time.